Hi, my name is Thijs Devriendt and today I'm going to talk to you about my PhD. The title of my PhD is Data Sharing and Biomedical Research, the Impact of Incentive Policies and Data Governance Models. Why is the sharing of research data so important? Well, the vast majority of research carried out at university is funded by taxpayers' money. Therefore, in order to maximize the return on investment of research funds, all valuable outputs of the research process should be made available. Datasets can be used to answer new research questions, carry out meta-analysis, test secondary hypotheses, avoid unnecessary duplication of experiments, or for educational purposes. Data sharing also allows data underlying scientific studies to be reanalyzed. As such, it increases the transparency of the research process and ensures that researchers can be held to account over their analyses and conclusions. Presently, routine data sharing is far from becoming a reality. One of the principal reasons identified in the literature is that there are no incentives for researchers to share data. Researchers may perceive that data sharing is disadvantageous to them because they might get scooped, it is time consuming, or errors in their work might be revealed. Implementing incentives for data sharing will have implications for all actors within the academic ecosystem, such as universities, journals, publishers, funders, and academic societies. Successful evolution towards routine data sharing requires new roles and responsibilities to be given to these actors, and a culture of sharing to be developed within scientific disciplines. Our intention is to investigate the impact of incentive policies on biomedical data sharing. We carry out reviews of academic literature and policy papers to see which incentives are implemented and which have been proposed. We combine this with interview studies to explore scientists' reservations towards data sharing and their views on these incentive policies. Then we look at the implications these incentives have for actors in academia and at how these policies might interact with technological advancements and with each other. Finally, we aim to look at different data governance systems, how they might bring privacy concerns, and how they impact data sharing practices and consent provisions for research. During this presentation, we did not yet mention the most important reason to share, which is that sharing is caring. An environment where research data are shared is an environment where research can progress most quickly.